Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a skincare video. I was trying to film this video for so long now. This video is going to be really interesting because today I am going to talk about skincare products, especially for beginners. If you are a person, you want to start a skincare routine, you want to start taking care of your skin, but you don't want to spend too much money on your skincare products, because we all know there are so many expensive products in the market which everyone cannot actually afford. I personally cannot really afford. I personally, when I was in college, when I was in school, I always used to search products which are budget friendly, which are not going to be that expensive. I'm not saying that expensive product is not good. They are obviously good. Sometimes we all are somewhere in a budget and we have to take care of our skin in a budget. That does not mean that you are going to use cheap ingredient, cheap quality product. So today's video is going to be mainly focused on a good skincare routine which is in a budget. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. I have all my notes right over here. I prepared this last night. This video I have sectioned this in 6 different parts. Whenever you are just thinking about a good skincare routine, what you can actually think: a good face wash, a good scrub, toner, maybe serums, a moisturizer and a sunscreen. I am a beginner. If I want to purchase few skincare product, if I want to start my skincare routine, then for me particularly, I will choose from this basic 6 categories. If you want to start your skincare routine, I think this is a simple basic category that you should have. If you want to include a mask or eye cream or lip balm, anything that you want, you can just include it there. Quick disclaimer, I am not a skin expert. I am not a dermatologist. I am not saying that I know everything about skincare, but I am just a person. I have tried maximum amount of product. I think that I have a little bit of experience as a consumer, that I can actually give a little bit of advice to you guys. That's the reason I am actually filming this video. Our first category, we have cleanser or a good face wash. Face wash and a cleanser, very basic and an important product in your skincare routine. Me particularly, I have a oily combination skin type, so I will go for a particular cleanser or a face wash that will not only will just work particularly for my oily combination skin, but it will not dry out my skin completely, because I do not like that kind of face wash that just dries out my skin so much. My skin type, which is oily combination, I will always go for simple refreshing face wash. This is a face wash even if you are a normal skin person, even if you have sensitive skin, this face wash is so good for you. If you have dry skin, they have another category which is their moisturizing face wash. It's for dry to combination skin. It's a little bit hydrating, a little bit moisturizing, so it's good for dry skin people. A face wash which I personally love and I personally recommend, because I know that this is chemical free. This is not bad for your skin. Another brand that I really love is Neutrogena. Most of them are not that much expensive. So for Neutrogena, I think you can go for the deep cleaning foaming face wash. If you have oily skin, like extremely oily skin, you can go for that particular face wash. If you have acne problem, your skin is sensitive, you can absolutely go for Sebamed. There are so many people suffering from acne. Sebamed is a brand that really helped them. So I think I have mentioned product which is not more than 400 rupees. So now for our second category, we have exfoliant or exfoliating scrub. Quickly mention few things. Chemical exfoliant is a very good thing for your skin, but I know there are very few people who use a chemical exfoliant. If you are suffering from any kind of skin issue, I think a chemical exfoliant which will actually help you to recover, which will actually help your skin to recover. But a chemical exfoliant is not that inexpensive. It's expensive and a lot expensive. Few exfoliating scrub in today's market which like is really harmful for your skin. So many influencers, they just use that scrub like it's nothing, but it's so harmful for your skin. Not only because it says that it contains walnut, it's because it's so harsh for your skin. I don't know, I really hate biotic, like few biotic products. I really hate that. I'm sorry if that works for you, but it never worked for me, so I am not a big fan of biotic products. Brands, they are coming out with so many different kind of scrubs and exfoliating products which is not that much harmful for your skin. I will recommend you to go for a product which quality wise is really good. You don't have to purchase a product just because it's inexpensive. For my exfoliating scrub, the number one that I have mentioned, Mamaearth Coffee Face Scrub. Now coffee face scrub sounds really harsh as well, but Mamaearth is a brand. Mamaearth is super natural. Products are all chemical free and it's really good for your skin. When I was using that coffee scrub, it was not burning my skin. It was not my cheeks, as I already mentioned, it's very sensitive. My cheeks were not red. Mamaearth exfoliating scrub is a scrub that I will recommend if you have oily combination skin. You can also purchase another scrub that is really good. This one is also from Mamaearth. This one is their turmeric and upton face scrub. I haven't used that before, but I think it's really good. So you can just use that product if you have normal to oily skin or oily to sensitive skin. If you want a really gentle scrub for your skin, I think you should go for the pack exfoliating scrub, one of my favorite. So it's not cheap, but it will last you for so long. The one product that I have to mention because it's one of my favorite. As you guys know, Huda Beauty came up with this beautiful scrub from Wishful. I don't know how much beautiful it is because I haven't used it yet. So that's the reason I think if you want something similar to that, I'm not saying that it's a dupe or something. If you want something similar to that, I think you can go for the pack exfoliating scrub. I'm also going to mention another scrub for normal to combination skin or normal to oily skin, which I personally love, is my Nivea refreshing scrub. Also a very gentle scrub. It's kind of more like a face wash and a scrub. Lastly, I am going to mention it again, you should invest in a good chemical exfoliant. I know that's expensive. Actually help in your skin discoloration or pigmentation. It will just brighten up your skin. It will also help if you have textured skin. I have mentioned scrubs which I think it's not more than 500 rupees. So for our third category, we have toner. Now toner is obviously a really important part. I know there are so many people, even including me, I always skip toner, but toner is important product for your skin because toner will cleanse your skin really well. Even if you are double cleansing your skin, you have to use a toner. Toner will also minimize your pores. It will also maintain the pH balance of your skin. That's the reason toner is a good investment. So the first toner that I am going to mention is from Kama Ayurveda and it's their pure rose water. It's kind of a face mist, but it also acts as a face toner as well. Such a beautiful product. So many people just love this Kama Ayurveda rose water. It's a very beginner friendly product. You can just use it in your summers, before your makeup, after you remove your makeup. You can just use this product anytime you want. Really love Kama Ayurveda rose water, and this Kama Ayurveda rose water is good if you have normal to oily skin. Even if you have combination skin, you can definitely use this product. The second product that I'm going to mention is from Dermafic. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Dermafic toner is also cheap. It's also really good, and Dermafic toner is actually for all skin type. Anyone can use it. So many people struggling with acne, they use this toner and it actually helped them. See, my skincare routine always change because I obviously test out so many different products, so that's the reason I have to change my skincare routine here and there. It is not me talking about my skincare routine. I'm just talking about products that I have used before and I think it's good for you. So if you're a beginner, you can just invest it. Toner, especially if you are looking for a toner which will help you reduce your fine lines and wrinkles, you can use the Dr. Sheth's toner. It contains glycolic acid. It's a glycolic acid toner which will help you to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles. Don't know the benefits of glycolic acid. It will actually help you to remove your fine lines if you have wrinkles, if you have textured skin. So if you want to minimize your pores and even out your skin tone a little bit. For our toner, we are not more than 500 rupees. Time for our fourth category. I am out of my breath. Category is serum. Serums are really expensive, and there are so many people out there, they always ask me to recommend a good serum. Serum is so expensive that a few people who ask me for affordable serum, so I just sometimes research so much and then I answer your questions. First product I'm gonna mention is L'Oreal Paris Revitalizing Micro Essence. Now it's not a serum, but it's essence. Okay, now essence and serums are two different things, but if you don't want to invest in a very expensive serum, you can definitely go for this essence. This is a beautiful product. Just do not purchase the full size product. If you want to, you can obviously, but I will not recommend you to purchase the full size product. I am talking about the product which is, I think, 250 rupees or something. Very small product, but it will last you for so long. It's purely water, like it's literally water. Serum is good if you have a dry skin, if you have combination skin, if you have normal skin as well. But if you have extremely oily skin, serum can be a little bit extra hydrating for you. I think you can go for the Kaya Youth Oxy Infused Face Serum. It's a really good face serum. Also, another favorite face serum that I always use is the Mamaearth Skin Illuminating Face Serum. Really good for dry to normal skin, even if you have combination skin. They mentioned that it's for all skin types, so if you are an oily skin person as well, you can just give it a try. It gets absorbed into your skin so beautifully. Hyaluronic acid helps you to hydrate your skin as well. If you have dry patches, if you have extremely dry skin, hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. Even if you want to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles, you can definitely use a hyaluronic acid serum as well. Moving on to our fifth category and our second last category, which is moisturizer. Moisturizer is something that is obviously important for your skin. Now, I am a person, I just do not like a thick, heavy moisturizer for my skin, because even if it's winter, even if it's summer, I don't care what season it is, I just do not love a heavy moisturizer which is not getting absorbed into my skin. First favorite moisturizer, which is obviously for oily combination skin type, is the Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Non-Oily, like oil-free moisturizer. You guys have seen that already. That moisturizer, and the best part is it contains hyaluronic acid. Even though I have oily skin, I do not have a dryness problem, but this moisturizer claims that this is a non-oily moisturizing cream, so that's the reason they have included hyaluronic acid in it. Not give you that oily patchy feeling the entire day, but it will hydrate your skin. So go for the Garnier wrinkle-free anti-aging cream if you are above 21. I think that's the age from where you should use anti-aging cream. You can just particularly use that product. So many influencers actually love that particular product. So you can go for the Sebamed Clear Face Gel, which is super amazing, made for sensitive and acne prone skin only. Well, to combination skin, I think you can go for the Mamaearth Anti-Pollution Face Cream. It's also a really good face cream. And the last thing that we have is sunscreen. I'm mentioning this last, but sunscreen is one of the most important thing that you need. You can skip anything you want, do not skip a sunscreen. But if you want to look younger, if you want your skin to stay healthy, you need a sunscreen. I'm gonna mention is for oily skin people. It's because I am oily combination skin, so that's the reason I just know sunscreens that are especially for oily skin people. Sunscreen that I really love is the Neutrogena Dry Touch sunscreen, which contains SPF 50 in it. Not leave any white cast on your skin, which I hate. I don't know why few sunscreen leave a white cast on your skin. That sunscreen is really good for your skin. Another sunscreen that I love also for oily to combination skin. I think this is a sunscreen anyone can use. If you live in India, this is a sunscreen you all can use it, no matter if you are a dry skin person. If you use a creamy, thick, heavy sunscreen in summers, then I don't know what will happen. Lotus sunscreen gel, which also contains SPF 50 plus. I just love that product. It's a gel based sunscreen, so it's obviously non-oily, non-sticky. It's a matte sunscreen is really good is the Plum Green Tea Sunscreen Gel as well, which contains SPF 35. We are done. Now I am just going to mention what product I will particularly pick up if I am a beginner, if I want to start my skincare routine, and if I want my skincare kit, then what product I will particularly use. So I've mentioned that as well right over here. So the first product that I will obviously choose is the Sebamed cleanser, which is for 322 rupees. The second product, which is exfoliating scrub, I will choose the Mamaearth Upton scrub, which is for 349 rupees. Then for toner, I'm gonna choose my Dermafic toner, which is for 371 rupees. A serum, I will choose L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence, which is for 250 rupees, the smaller version. Then for my moisturizer, I'm gonna obviously take my Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, which is for 299. Lastly, for my sunscreen, I'm gonna choose Lotus Sunscreen Gel, which is for 315 rupees. So it's a total for rupees 1906. Complete skincare routine under 2000 rupees. Trust me, I should have mentioned products which is for 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 130 rupees. This video will turn into a skincare product under 500 rupees. Seriously, that's, I think, personally for me, it's my personal choice. Just don't take it personal. I think that's not possible and that's not good for your skin. Just know the ingredients that you are using. I'm not saying that what I am saying you have to use that particular thing I am saying is all right. I'm not saying something like that. As I said, I am not a skin expert. This is what I personally choose. This is what I personally want. So I can just suggest you. I can just give you some advice. If you want to take it, take it. If you don't want to take it, I don't care. Yeah, I hope you guys find this video really helpful. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.